In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete your Pinterest account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Pinterest app. Then go to your profile, and on your profile page hit at that three dots. Then tap at Settings, then Privacy and Data, and that's where you should scroll down until you find Delete your data and account. You can just tap on it and it will say that deleting your account is permanent and means you won't be able to get your pins or bars back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. If you are ready to live forever, we'll send you an email with the final step to your email address. All I have to do now is just hit at Continue. That will ask you to tell them why you are leaving. You can select any option and then hit at Send Email. After that, we can go out of Pinterest, and now we need to open up Gmail app. And now we can open up our email app. Here is the email from Pinterest that is in Russian, but I'll translate you. It says that deleting your account and all Pinterest data will be completed in 14 days. And within that 14 days, you will be able to log back to your Pinterest account using your email and password. If you still want to delete your Pinterest account, hit at that red button which says "Yes, delete my account." That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.